Thank you. Thank you once again for that $20, man. I really appreciate that. It says, thanks, Bruce. You are helping to inspire others, and LLC setup will work on Sam's. I have a LLC setup will work on. Yeah, that'll work on your LLC. Will just make sure your status is current, like you're up to your LLC hasn't expired. Make sure that's good to go. It'll work. Yeah, just go for it, man. Yeah, go for it. Like people don't ask that. It's not everybody's like business minded, and you start talking about people's eyes glaze over. So I don't talk about it a lot, but man, business is that's really where my real passion is, making multiple streams of income. Man, I could talk about that for a while because I've been doing it for a while and I know a lot. Like I've failed so many times. I'm not saying that to brag, but it's definitely not bragging points, but I fell forward. And so that's why I know some stuff about it. Somebody said on TikTok, oh, I see you're on SAMS.gov looking for cybersecurity contracts. I'm learning about that now. Yeah, I'm not looking for any cybersecurity contracts. Not now, but a few months ago I was. And I was in talks for another one. They're out there for sure, especially if he says, I can attest to this. I have an AWS, a CISA, a CASP, and a Security Plus. Yeah, so if you have one of those certifications that he just named, like those are all six-figure. Those are all six-figure, get you 6 figures. Yeah, especially if you have some experience under your belt, you happen to be in the DMV area, that 6 figures is nothing. Like, it's funny because I'll do my content and I'll say, oh, you can make 6 figures. And people from the DMV area is like, really? Everybody has 6 figures there. But not everybody has 6 figures in the US. So that's why it's a big deal. 6 figures is a big deal for most Americans. You know, for me, it was a big deal. It was a huge step up in the right direction. But if you happen to already live in the DMV area, you've been doing this for a while, you already know. You already know, like 6 figures is not a big deal. You know what I mean? And contractors are making millions of dollars. So I was making that play right there. I was trying to see if I can get a direct contract, but easier said than done. And now I'm already working on this stuff, and I just started focusing on just writing. So I'm not as interested in doing the certificate, the contracting stuff as much anymore. I'd rather work for somebody else who's already done the work, you know, and I'm believing that. So have I tried it? Yeah, I did. I was really looking for one for a while, but now I'm like, nah, I just want to write. I'm not trying to make myself another job. I'm just going to go ahead and just write. That's something I'm good at, something I like to do. And I get to help people. I get to talk to you guys.